I figured I would do a before and after. My M4 is going into the shop tomorrow. And here's what we're getting done to her. These vent details will be black, just like the side vent. This reflector. And this reflector will be mineral gray. This, again, will be black to match the side vent. This will be mineral gray. This will be mineral gray. We're going to get the carbon fiber tip across the back. And then I hate how the exhaust, how the M Performance muffler is a bright silver. So they're changing that out and putting a black one on to match. Anyways, that's it. It's a beautiful day here in Las Colinas. This is the infamous parking garage, by the way. There's some tire treads over there. But anyways, look forward to showing you guys the updated version. All right, folks, we are back. It is exactly 1 day later. Beautiful day in Las Colinas, and a great day to showcase some of the upgrades. I just picked her up, so moving around the car, those side vents right there, as you recall, were chromed out. That is no more. This right here used to be an orange. No more. All gray. The only thing that's not gray and black on this car are the headlights and the taillights. And again, this side looking really good. Those are what I call the minor upgrades that we had done. Let's move to the more heavy cosmetics right away. I hope you'll notice a little carbon fiber splitter that we've got on this joint now. Looking sweet. I'll be honest, it's a little tough to tell in the sunlight, but you will notice as well the rear reflectors are also grayed out. And the biggest thing for me was this exhaust. You'll see they got a new muffler on there, totally murdered out from the back, and it just looks so much better. So that's about it. But she's looking good from all angles. I'm gonna finish enjoying this beer up here on my rooftop and check in with you guys later. You can believe me if you want, but this new muffler, I think it's a little bit meaner. I'm gonna do it without M on and then with M Sport on.